New at 6, ABC 15 has obtained video that shows Border Patrol presence at a coronavirus drive-thru testing station in Tucson. The ACLU of Arizona now demanding some answers from Customs and Border Protection. ABC 15 investigator Melissa Blasius talking to civil rights organizations and the hospital where this video was shot.
Everyone, regardless of immigration status, should seek medical treatment or preventive services for coronavirus. ICE will not carry out enforcement operations at or near healthcare facilities. That was the statement issued by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services back in March. So what was a Border Patrol vehicle doing parked just steps away from a COVID-19 drive-thru at this Banner hospital?
I don't believe this is an isolated incident, but let's say that it was. It is particularly dangerous to be engaging in such behavior, to have such a public presence in a hospital that is specifically giving drive-through COVID-19 testing.
Yvette Borja is an attorney for ACLU Arizona in Tucson. She says they've received many reports of CBP presence at hospitals providing COVID-19 testing. But this is the first time it was caught on camera.
Could deter undocumented people from going and getting tested.
So they sent a letter to Customs and Border Protection asking to suspend enforcement at sensitive locations and in places deemed essential under current federal and state shelter-in-place orders, and to publicly assure their commitment. Banner Hospital released a statement saying Border Patrol's presence on any of their campuses would be indicative of them guarding someone in custody receiving medical attention. They say Banner Health is committed to treat every person in need of medical care, regardless of where they were born. Jose Guzman, who leads a nonprofit organization for victims of crimes, says this is a bad look for Border Patrol, regardless of the reasons they had to be at the hospital. He says this scares the undocumented community and will only result in more people getting infected and potentially more deaths in Arizona.
And that isn't a choice that any individual should ever have to make.
I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.
Melissa, thank you. And we reached out to CBP, and they said Border Patrol is not conducting any enforcement operations at sensitive locations. They said that part of their responsibility is assuring detainees receive medical treatment when they need it. You can read more on their statement. You can find that right now on abc15.com.